Good morning, room 32. We're going to go ahead and do module 11.4. Number, comparing, and ordering 5-digit numbers. All right. So let's go ahead and start right here at our slides. So looking here on slide number 1, we can see there's a list of stadiums on the left-hand column. In the center column, there's a list of locations. And then on the right-hand column, there's a seating capacity for each of these stadiums. All right. Now, we're going to compare two different 5-digit numbers. Now, I want to remind you something that we learned before when we were comparing numbers. All right. If we look at the first place value, okay, sorry about that. That was not supposed to happen. Let me see if I can just get that cleared up a little bit there. All right, one more time. Sorry, guys. Okay, if we look at the first two place values, you'll notice that the greatest two place values, the 10,000 place values, are the same. So I like to just say, okay, those are the same. Go to the next place value. Now we're looking at the place value of the thousands. Now the first one has 9,000 in that place value of the thousands, and the second number has 4 in the thousands. So when we look at that, really, we don't need to look at these numbers anymore either. Okay, we don't need to look at the hundreds, tens, or the ones either. We can look at the thousands place value and say 9,000 is greater than 4,000. So if we look at the entire number on both sides, we say 79,451 is greater than 74,916. So we're going to use the greater than symbol. All right. Now, if you want to practice a little bit more, you can choose various locations and their stadiums and their capacities, and you can compare a given set of numbers. So, for example, let's say you want to compare the Commonwealth Stadium in Kentucky to the Folsom Field in Colorado, and you can compare those two, right? Or whatever pair you want. Now, let's go ahead and jump over here to our step in discussion. Now, if you look here, we have this example, and I believe these are kind of from what we were just looking at, right? It says this table shows the current seating capacity of 10 stadiums in the United States. All right, so we have all that data there in that chart. That says, how can you compare the seating capacity for the stadium in Florida and in Iowa? So we're looking at these two right here. Okay. We're looking at Florida and Iowa. So 74,916, and we're comparing that, and that's kind of our compare. That's going to be a little confusing to you guys. Hang on. Let's try this. Let's instead put a box. That way you're not confused. Okay, to 70,585. Again, remember what I said, start with your greatest place value. So look at your 10,000s. Are they the same? Yep, cross those out. Look at your thousands. Okay, so this one has 4,000s and that one has 0,000. So that's pretty easy, right? We can easily look at that and say 74,916 is greater than 70,585. Put that greater than symbol, okay? And what part of the number would you look at first? We just discussed that. And complete the relationship statements to describe the comparison. Blank is less than blank, all right? So we would say Iowa. Hang on a second, I misspelled that. There we go. Iowa is less than Florida. Okay. And then we can bring that down. Same thing again, right? Iowa is less than Florida. And then over here, we would say Florida is greater than Iowa. Okay. All right. That's pretty much that. So let's jump into the main pages, your work pages. All right. Looking here at the work pages, it asks us to use the data from up here. So you're going to be looking at this data up here to help you with these problems down here in the step up. Okay, so Colorado is blank to Georgia, Nebraska is blank to Florida. So you're going to go ahead and write the numbers, okay, in those boxes from this column here, and then you're going to write the greater than, less than, or equal to symbol right there. Let's look on page 2. More of the same, okay? And then it says, look at the table on page 404, and then follow the arrows to write the seating capacity in order from least to greatest. So we're going from least, and we're going to end at greatest. So you're going to order all of those numbers one at a time. And if you have trouble with that, I'll be glad to help you during math time tomorrow. All right, guys, good luck. I'll see you on Zoom.